And developing today, 37-year-old Felix Torres was in the Lee County Courthouse accused of attacking a woman that he picked up while working as an Uber driver.
Now, we have surveillance video taken the moment the Lee County Sheriff says the attack happened. This is it right here at the Ashler Apartments in Fort Myers, according to deputies. That's for your perspective near Corbell Circle, which is right off of Daniels Parkway, not too far from Bell Tower Shops. Torres had his first appearance here at the Lee County Court, and Fox 4 had a camera crew here this morning capturing the moments Torres was brought in front of a judge for the very first time.
It's also where Fox 4's Briana Brownlee joins us from tonight, standing right up front of the courthouse. And Bree, take us through what happened in the courtroom today.
Kristen Shari, today the judge granted a $500,000 bond along with other stipulations to his release. This was after we heard about his previous charges.
It's upsetting, truthfully.
New Fort Myers resident Molly Alverson having a hard time hearing how the Lee County Sheriff says 37-year-old Felix Torres,
I sat bond in the amount of $500,000.
whose bond was set as he made his first court appearance Wednesday, is accused of sexual battery against a woman who was his rider.
It makes me nervous as a woman to go out and, want to be able to trust people to take me somewhere and hopefully not harm me.
Lee County Sheriff Carmine Marcino says the video shows the Sunday morning attack.
Put on a mask and pursued the victim on her way to the door.
After Marcino says Torres dropped her off at her Fort Myers apartment complex.
The victim did everything that she was supposed to do. She had a plan. She did everything right. She tried to be safe and she tried to fight.
You'd be fitted with a GPS electronic monitor before you are released.
In court, Torres listened with his hands on his head as the judge ordered for him to stay away from the alleged victim in her apartment complex. Overson says, like many women, this has her thinking about rideshare safety.
My heart goes out to her, for sure, because that definitely shouldn't have happened to her.
Now today in court, Torres' previous charges were read aloud, and all of these charges did come from the state of Massachusetts, and they included different charges such as driving without a license, armed robbery, and breaking and entering. So I reached back out to Uber and asked them if he had all these charges, how was he able to pass their background screening? A spokesperson with Uber did send me this statement. In part, it reads, "Our background check process reviews all available and legally reportable criminal records and specifically screens for convictions. In this case, there were no prior convictions revealed during the driver's background check, and he passed the process." Now, Torres is scheduled to be back in court on January the 9th at 8:30 in the morning. Live from the Lee County Courthouse, Briana Brownlee, Fox 4.